A 2021 Atlas Cross Sport. This is how you replace the remote battery.
Okay, so if we look at the key fob, all we need to do is take off this back panel to expose the battery. So right here on the left side of the remote, we're gonna use a small screwdriver, and we're gonna go at this corner right here, and all we gotta do is just pry the corner up, and the cover will come right off. Nothing real special or difficult about it. If you look at the other side, it has the panic button. You don't want to pry on that side, okay? So I'm going to take the battery out. There's a little slot right here for you to just snap the battery out. New remote battery, and I'll show you the size. Here we go. The battery size is a CR2032, and notice the positive sign will be facing outwards, okay? I'm going to just put it right in the remote just like that. I'll leave a link in the description box for some remote batteries. It takes you to Amazon. You can get them for like $1 a piece, so check that out. And then you just get the cover, and we just snap it back on, and it's that simple. Hope the video was helpful, and it was. Appreciate it if you'd like and subscribe.